Welcome to this guide on controlling generative AI randomness. Today, we are going to demystify the settings that sit inside almost every large language model interface. Temperature, top K, and top P, we will explore how these parameters actually change the way an AI writes. To understand these settings, we first need to remember how large language models work. They are essentially prediction machines. When you give them a sentence, they don't plan the whole response at once. Instead, they calculate the probability of the next word or token. In this example, if the input is, "the cat sat on the model calculates that Matt is 65% likely, while Moon is only 1% likely. This is where temperature comes in. Think of temperature as a modifier for those probabilities. Low temperature, between 0.1 and 0.4, makes the model very conservative. It amplifies the differences, making the most likely word almost the only choice. High temperature, closer to 1, flattens the curve, giving less likely words a fighting chance. When you set the temperature low, you are asking for predictability. The model becomes an anchor, sticking strictly to facts and logic. This is perfect for coding tasks, extracting data from documents, or anything where there is only one correct answer. If you ask it a question twice, you will likely get the exact same answer twice. On the other hand, high temperature is the spark of creativity. By allowing the model to choose less probable words, you get more diverse and interesting sentence structures. This is ideal for creative writing, poetry, or brainstorming sessions where you want to be surprised. However, be careful, as this increases the risk of hallucinations or nonsense outputs. Temperature adjusts the likelihoods, but sampling is the gatekeeper. Sampling methods determine which words are even allowed to be considered for the final selection. It chops off the list of possibilities to prevent the model from choosing completely irrelevant words. Top K sampling is one of the simplest methods. It tells the model to only look at the top K candidates. If we set K to 3, the model will only pick from the top 3 most likely words and completely ignore the rest. This prevents the model from going off the rails by picking a word that has a very low probability. Top P, also known as Nucleus sampling, is a bit smarter. Instead of a fixed number of words, it chooses a dynamic group of words whose probabilities add up to a certain threshold, usually 90%. If the model is unsure, the group of words is larger. If the model is confident, the group is smaller. This creates a more natural balance between variety and coherence. So, how should you configure your settings? For precise tasks like coding or math, keep temperature and top P very low. For balanced tasks like chatbots, a temperature of 0.7 is standard. For creative endeavors, push the temperature up to 0.9 or higher to get those unique, human-like flourishes. To wrap up, remember that temperature controls the randomness distribution, while sampling methods like top K and top P act as filters. Low settings give you precision, while high settings give you creativity. Experiment with these sliders to find the sweet spot for your specific project.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.